Hey everyone, hope you guys have good news. Just walking to pick up dinner, watching some food. Kind of craving. I haven't had that for maybe 1.5 years now. It's roast pork and barbecue pork. So the place I'm going is called BBQ Duck Palace. It's in Botany Junction. So it's not too far from where I am. It's a nice walk as well. And I'm shooting this on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's pretty cool. I've activated the is it called active track? So let me know how it goes. So I point it on my face and I'll just follow my face to active track. Alright. I'll use a shortcut through what do you call it? VP. It's kind of a shortcut. Shops, gym around this area. The drive right in front there is called Tirang Drive. So this bar cafe just newly opened. Yeah. Wow, it's pretty jam-packed. Eatery, steps, bakery, fashion, cake house is really nice. First market, right across. Good walk. Cutting through BP. Save some walk, I guess. Alright, so that's the BP. I don't pump it here because there's no 95, it's only 98, 91 in diesel. Alright, back to me. Alright, expect to work tomorrow. Usually I just drive, but I thought might be a good walk. Today's my rest day actually. Tomorrow I'm back in doing weights. Alright, crossing the road. So the good thing about the Osmo Pocket 3, activate the face active track so I can see the road and I don't have to worry about the face. That's the camera lens. Too busy on the road. We get to work early, finish early. Again. Alrighty. Alright, it's my time to go now. crossing between Ormiston Road and Tirangi Drive. We'll be back. It's not too bad, it's a 10-minute walk. Nice etiquette. That's us. It's not too shaky. So there's Botany Junction, as you can see. That's where we are walking to. There's a bunch of shops. You have seen the Mulberry Curtis Park walk. Get run over. This Mexicali. Like people, Mexican food, Subway. It closed quite early. I guess it's a good thing for staff. And it's Coffee Club, Hollywood Bakery, etc. Quickly. I'm running, jogging. Alright. Sorry for the cough. This city wagon has gone from a stationery store to $5 shop. Chemist Warehouse, pretty good deal for all them. And Jets, one of the first few 24 hours. Used to be ASB here, but now has turned into like a baby shop. Indian sweets and snacks. Beige dragons. This barber shop. House of Travels here on. Alright, we are riding to good they put menus outside. Let's see. Let's go in. Alright, it's me again. Better walk at the same time. So I just got the barbecue pork and rice. Putting tons of chili oil. Yum, that's $17 now. If I order from the order meal, for the 50 cents. Yeah, again, I'm not sure if they're still using the system. So, yeah. Paying extra 50 cents rather than the hassle. So I asked if they give like a even like a those supermarket groceries bag. Yeah, nah. Yeah, everything counts as a cost. It's all good. I've cooked some rice at home, so I'll divide this into two meals. It's about $8 each. I was thinking of going to the place there, Ocean Takeaway. But I'm just thinking, the $9.90 fish and chips. $2 chips, potato wedges, and a hot dog, I think. But anyhow, excuse me, I've been coughing a lot. So anyhow, on my way home. Later, and I'll do some video while yummy sweet. Hopefully it's not gonna rain tomorrow. It's pretty crazy clouds. You see that dark clouds, but so yeah, the Osmo Pocket 3 is pretty good. Like the quality of the video. Yeah, I think I like the quality of the video. Whether if it's worth the money, I can probably use my cell phone. Yeah, I mean I just realized that I use the S23 Pro video. So, but obviously in low light, probably not too much difference, I think. You guys in my studio. Hey everyone, I'm back home now. I added more rice so that I can split the meal into two. Added egg, and yep, I'm so looking forward to it. I haven't had that for so long. But yeah, thank you for watching. Do visit BBQ Palace, Duck Palace. I'll put a link at the bottom in the caption. So catch you guys another time. Finish.